Good morning, dear students. God bless you. Welcome to Maths class. The last class we have discussed properties of set operations. The properties are namely commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. Okay. So, and also discussed exercise 1.4 first three sums. Okay. In this class, we are going to discuss exercise 1.4 fourth sum. Okay. The question is verify the associative property of intersection of sets for A, B, and C. Okay. Solution: the associative property of intersection. Associative property of intersection: A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is the associative property of intersection. Now all are intersection. Okay. So verify this property. First find the B intersection C value. B intersection C. What is the value of B intersection C? So common elements of P and C. Okay. Compare B and C set. What are the common elements are X? Root 3. Here root 3. So root 3 is the one of the common. Then root 5. Here root 5 also. Then 6. Here does not exist 6. Then 13 also does not exist. So two elements common of both the sets. Then find A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C is equal to set of all. So now compare B intersection C and A. So compare A and B intersection C. Write only the common element because A intersection B intersection C. Common element, write the common element of A and B intersection C. Okay. So minus 7 here does not appear. Minus 2 does not appear. Minus root 5 is root 5. Then 7 does not appear. So the set is root of 5. Okay. This is a name of singleton set. This is number 1. Next, consider the RHS. First, find the bracket value A intersection B. So, comparing A and B, I can write the common elements of A and B. A and B. Minus 11 does not appear. Root 2 not appear. Root 5 is appear. Okay, root 5. Then 7 does not appear. Then the value of A intersection B is equal to root of root 5. Then the question: A intersection B intersection C. So now compare A intersection B and C. Okay. So this is only one element exists. So comparing the one element root 5 are exists. So root 5 is your answer. This is number 2. Compare 1 and 2. We get 1 is equal to 2. That is LHS is equal to RHS. That is hence verified associative property of intersection. So hence verified. Have you understood the fourth question? Okay, dear students. Fifth question: if A is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2 power n, and the small n belongs to w represents the whole number, and the condition n less than 4, that means n is below 4 only, then B is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2n, multiples of 2, then n belongs to the natural number, and the condition n less than or equal to 4 or equal to 4 only, then C is equal to set of all 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Then verify the associative property of intersection of set. Associative property of intersection of set. Once again, it is the same one. The solution: associative property of intersection of set. So A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is the associative property for any three sets A, B, C. Associative property of intersection of set is A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So before start, find A, B, C. Because directly does not be given A, B value. C directly obtain the set value. So first find out A and B value. A is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2 power n. Okay. X x is equal to for a. X is equal to 2 power n. So all our n belongs to capital W. Okay, W represents the whole number started from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So n is equal to n less than 4. So n is equal to less than 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 1. That means below 4. Below 4, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. So this like you take the A is equal to set of all. A is equal to set of all. 2 replacing here. X is equal to 2 power 0. 2 power 0. Any number power 0 equal to 1. And x is equal to 2 power 1. 2 power 1 replacing n by 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. 2 1 to bring 1 time means 2. X is equal to 2 power 2. Is equal to 2 multiplied 2 times. 2 2s are 4. And x is equal to 2 power 3. So 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 multiplied 3 times we get 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. This is your answer of A. X is equal to 2 power 8. X values are set of all x. So A is equal to set of all 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. This is a value. Then for B, x is equal to 2n, and the small n derived from the natural number. So the number started from 1, and the condition n less than or equal to 4. So n is equal to or equal to 4. So natural numbers are started from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 also want to take because r equal to given. So 4. So replacing here x is equal to first 1. 2 ones are 2. Then x is equal to 2 into 2. Replacing now 2. 2 2s are 4. Then x is equal to 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Then x is equal to 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Have I understood this? Then B is equal to here 2 4 6 8. 2 4 6 8. So now we get A, B, C, 3 set of values. So now we will directly find out the associative property of intersection of set. Just verify the answer. First find B intersection C. B intersection C. So now consider the LHS. B intersection C, compare B and C. 0, 0 does not exist. 1 does not exist. 2 is exist. Common element. The intersection represents the common elements. 5 is not there. Then 6 having. So 2, 6. So B intersection C. Then find A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. A answers are 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection B intersection C answer 2 and 6. So what is the intersection of value? Means the common terms 2. That's all. 2 only the common. So 6 does not appear in A. So this is number 1. So now taken the RHS. This is for RHS. First find A intersection B. RHS. A intersection B. Common element of A and B. Okay. So 1 does not appear. 2, 4, 8. That's all. These 3 numbers only common of A and B. Then find A intersection B intersection C. So 2, 4, 8 intersection of C value 0, 1, 2, 5. 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Then the common elements 2 is up here. 2. 4 does not appear. 8 does not appear. So 2, 1. This is number 2. Compare 1 and 2. This is 1. This is 2. 2 set singleton set 2. Singleton set 2. So 1 is equal to 2. Compare 1 and 2. 1 is equal to 2. So 1 equal to 2 means hence verify the associative property of intersection of set. Hence verify. Okay, that's all your fifth sum. So this like sum also given in your exam. Because here first we find out the set values A, B. Then only find out the or verify the properties. So these like questions are very important. Okay, dear students. In this section, the second question was missed. So now I explain. The second question is test for the commutative property of union and intersection of the sets. So now, to test the commutative property of union and intersection of the set, the given two sets are P and Q. So P is equal to set of all x such that x is a real number between 2 and 7. The real number in the form of A by B, okay, and B is not equal to 0. It's already known. And Q is equal to set of all x such that x is an irrational number between 2 and 7. That means the number not in the form of A by B, the number is called an irrational number, or the non-terminating, non-recurring decimal number is called an irrational number. This is also infinity. Okay. So the rational number and irrational numbers are infinite set. So both are infinite set. When x is the infinite set must satisfy the commutative property of union and intersection. Okay. So that this is the result. The rational number and irrational numbers are infinite set. So every infinite set, therefore, the infinite set satisfy the commutative property of union and intersection. This is a result, infinite set result. If getting an infinite set, the set must satisfy any union and intersection of the property. So not only the commutative property, so all property, associative property and distributive property and everything. Okay. So all the properties are satisfied in the infinite set. So these two sets are infinite set. So must satisfy the condition. Okay, dear students, in this section we have discussed three properties: the commutative property, associative property and distributive property. So commutative property of union is A union B is equal to B union A, and commutative property of intersection is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Then associative property for any three sets A, B, C, the intersection and union exists. The union of associative property is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Then associative property of intersection is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So next, your homework for this class, book page numbers 20 and 21. Okay, 20 and 21. Examples 1.19 and 1.20. So work out these two sums using by the properties of commutative and associative and the union and the intersection. Okay. So find out the answer. Okay, thank you. God bless.